It's a 2010 Toyota Camry. It's a 2.5 4-cylinder. It says, yeah, right there, got starter problems. I got starter problems. The starter sits right. I'm gonna take this off right here. The starter sits right there. Right there. Take this off. That's the pot. That's the hot. I'm gonna unplug this right here. And got two screws I gotta get out. Let's see if we can get it on video here. Let me see. Okay. I'm gonna point to it. I'm gonna point back down. It's right. One right over here. And then the other one is right down there. I'm gonna take this off and we'll see it better. Take that off, we'll see it better, y'all. I'm gonna hook this battery too. Yeah, it got a little corrosion on there, but that's some of that grease stuff too. I don't know, it don't got hard. I just put this battery on here 2 days ago. This starter right here came from AutoZone. Lifetime, limited lifetime warranty. So y'all can see what I'm gonna be hooking it up right now. That's where that plug gonna go. That's coming from the battery right here. And it grounds itself to the body of the car. Alright, so let's put this back in the box until we get ready for it. It don't take many tools, y'all. I just only got this little cheap socket set. Now to take that starter off, the two screws under there is gonna be 14 millimeter. And I'm gonna put the camera down for a minute. I'm gonna take these two off right here. Let me see what size they are. Hold on. All right, so I just checked that and take these two off. You need, this is a 13/32 right here, y'all. Fit right on there. So I'm gonna take these two off. I'll be right back. I just had to let y'all see me turn it a little bit. That 14, y'all. This little set didn't cost me about $8.71. That's with tax. Just take it on over there, y'all. 13/32. Boom. And I'm putting this stuff. I'm gonna drop this in the box over there. Got the other one off in there already. Then it should just come up out of there. See, it hooks onto that. Just sit right off in there. All right, let's see if we can see a little better now. Let's see. Oh, if we can get to, okay, so see the starter right here. Solenoid right here. So gotta take this one off right here with a 14 millimeter, and the other one is right on the other side of it, right there. All right, so let me take this hot off of the battery real fast. I don't got nothing to hold the memory and none of that kind of stuff. It'll have to just relearn itself. But hold on. All right, y'all. So this one right here is a 17/32 for this. And you just, you know, well, I'm going the wrong way, y'all. Let me go the opposite direction. Just loosen it up. Once you get loosened up, I might have to pry this one a little bit. It been work, y'all. So, and then just take it off, y'all. Hold on 1 second. So I got it loose. I'm just gonna sit it to the side. Yeah, I know maybe I should put something over this and all that kind of stuff, but guess what, I ain't. But yeah, some people like to cover that back up or whatever. I don't know. I don't know what some people like to do. But yeah, so now I got enough room where I can work, y'all. I'm gonna go ahead and take this right here off. Let me see what size it is, y'all. Hold on one second. Okay, y'all, I went through my little things, and it's a 1/2 inch that fits on there. So see that fit on there. I'm gonna go ahead and take that off there. Y'all, hold on. When I get it loose, I'm gonna pick the camera back up. Hold on. All right, y'all, I turned it just one time so I could loosen it, but you see it going there, and I'm just gonna. Well, I'm gonna do it without the phone, y'all. Hold on, let me see if I can. But maybe I don't know. Let's see. Let's just get it off of there. And I moved the battery. I moved the battery over a little bit. All right, I got it loose. Got it loose. I'm just gonna turn it. Yeah, I thought it was loose. Here we go. Y'all, hold on. Let me get this thing out of the way. Alright, y'all, so I had to get a little tripod. I'm gonna go ahead and take that on off. Boom. It's off of there. Put that over in the box. Alright, let me show y'all what I'm doing. See right there, I just took it off of there. And that slides off of there. And that's the cord going to it. So that's off of there. Then I have to pop this off and pull it out, which I'm about to do. Hold on, y'all, hold tight. Okay. And it's so wore out, y'all, from me hitting on that starter. The plastic already done busted from right, but I still got the piece that I need right there. See me, baby, shit. All right, so now this is disconnected. I'm about to take out the 2 bolts, 1 and 2, well, screws, whatever you want to call it. All right, so I need to put me an extension on there. Yeah, hold 1 second. Put this extension on there so I can reach the battery. I talked all that noise come out 14 millimeters. Okay, it is 14. I'm gonna take this side off first. Take this one off. Just turn it out. See how it's in there? Get this side out first. It's loose. I took it off the tripod, y'all. I don't know if y'all can see it good or not. So, alright, so I'm gonna take this, put it on there by hand, and now that it's loose, I should just be able to turn it. Alright, I'm gonna pause it and go ahead and get that all the way out. Got it out of there. Now, I'm about to get to that one over there. I don't want to have to move nothing else. But this extension I got look like it's probably about a 1/4 inch too short. But I'm finna try it, y'all. Hold on. Alright, y'all, had to go find another small extension to put on the hook with. It's gonna give me enough room to be able to move around a little bit. Y'all hold on now. I'm gonna get it right. Y'all, we got it on there. I broke it. So I'm gonna take this off. Reaching that by hand. Nope. Nope. Hold on. Alright, y'all, put the extension on there, but do it by hand. Pick y'all back up when I get it out all the way. Got it out of there. Oh yeah, y'all, so let me be all the way transparent. I took that see that bracket right there. That cord that comes from the battery that goes over to the starter. I got this on there. It just slide right on top of that. I pulled it off so I have more room to move with the socket wrench. Alright, so now I'm gonna get ready to grab that starter and get it out of there. Y'all hold on. I put these gloves back on because I got that little rubber stuff on. Y'all, I ain't gonna help me do it no easier than with my regular hand. Just wiggle it. Look at that. And see how it coming out of there. Twist it. I got this battery thing, the battery sit on top of. It's all in the way. Y'all see that how it's all in the way? I'll probably take that off of there. If I had to do this every day of the week, I'll take that off. I might take it off in a minute if I can't get it back up in there good. Well, y'all hold on, let me get it out of here. Alright, I got it out of there. Y'all see right there? Boy, I was tapping that bad boy to make it crank up. You know, you can tap on it every now and then. You give you some more cranks out of it. I've been tapping this thing for a few months because it only mess up. Like, it was only doing it maybe once every couple weeks. I had to tap on it, then get in there and crank it up. But, yep. That's it. Let's see. What y'all saying? Just get some saliva and put on there. But I ain't gonna do that. I got something else though. Hold on. Ain't nothing like something that we put on there. $2010, y'all. This bad boy got 270,000 miles on it. Alright. I'm finna get the other one out, y'all. Get ready to put it on. Alright, here go the new one. We're gonna pull this on off of there. Trying to see about that plug that I'm gonna have to stick off in there. Cause you know, I might have to change it out later on the pigtail end of it, cause it'll go up in there. See that? Make sure it ain't damaged. Still look good. Good enough to go in there. Alright, here we go. Y'all hold on. Let me see if I'm gonna need to take this battery thing off of here or not. Should be able to get it up in there, but hold on. I gotta go. I'm gonna get some full of oil around that so it'll go up in there easier. But I think it might just go up in there without that. Let me see. I'm gonna try it without it, y'all. Hold on. See that? I went under there and turned it to the side. I don't think I'm gonna need no oil. I think it's gonna go up in there. I think it's gonna go up in there. Let's see. You'll find that here. Yeah, no oil. Alright, y'all, so let me get one of the bolts back out, get it going in there. Boom, boom. These two, they still look good, so I'm gonna use them. Take these gloves back off. Hold on. Let's see if we can get it started back in there. Yep. Get on there, baby. There we go. There you go, y'all. All right, got that one started. All right, let's get the other one restarted. Where'd it go? Okay, right there. All right. Go back on that side, tighten that one a little bit more. See that gap don't close up right there. That gap right there between the, that's where it ground itself at. All right. Let me pause it, y'all, get the socket. All right, y'all, took both of my hands, get it back there, put it on there. I got it. Got it up on there. It's a little blurry, y'all. Got it on there. Let's see it. Got too much room to play with. Oh, y'all, let me get this thing tight with one without this camera in my hand real quick, y'all. All right, y'all, I tightened it up pretty good. Like I said, this thing right here was getting in my way, but I just had to, while I was tightening it, I just bent it up while I was tightening it. It went back like it's supposed to go. So now I'm finna tighten. About to tighten this one up. Hold on one second. All right, I tightened that one, y'all. All right, now I'm gonna show y'all the thing I took off. Okay, so with that bracket right there, I just slid it on there. This is what it looked like. So this piece right here, see it turn around, basically hold the cable down, and then this end right here is what goes onto right here, right there. So I'm just gonna slide this back on top of that. So spin it around like this, and just push it down on there, and it's locked on. All right, so this is the new start. I'm taking this off. I'll take that nut off. And put that on there. Put that back on. Let me tighten it down, hold on. And remember, 17:30 seconds. So I'm gonna tighten that on. All right, we got it tight. Had to put the phone down for a second. Put the last couple turns. That's what the inside of that plug look like, y'all. So I should have plugged it up before I stuck it. Before I screwed the whole starter down. But I'm about to maneuver it and hook onto it. Yep. Watch me work, y'all. I'm good with my hands now. I'm good with my hands now. Yeah, I pulled it loose, y'all, just to make sure it was tight. Now I gotta get it back on now. Yeah, hold on. Should have left it alone. Alright, y'all, I got it up in there. I'm gonna leave it alone before I do something wrong again. I'm gonna hook this battery back up. Stick it on now. Let me tighten it down, y'all. Give me a second. Okay, so y'all, we finna fire it up. We finna see if it crank up, y'all. We finna see if it crank up. Hold on. Let's see where the keys at. Alright, y'all. Let's see. It's dusty in here, y'all. She been to work for a minute. Let's see. Got many miles on it, y'all. Hold on. She running. Alright, y'all, need to put this back on. Y'all, hold on. Alright, now y'all remember, this should just slide right off. See this? It just slide right off on over there. Those line up. Put the screws in. Alright, so let me show y'all again. Take this off. See, you got those little things sticking out on each side, but that's just to stop it from going too far. That's what I think anyway. I don't know why it ain't no clamp around this thing, but stick that on right there. Move it to the hole. It line up perfect. Put these back in. Put this one in. Let's tighten it down. Let me get the right pieces for it. I mean the right socket. Alright, y'all, so remember this one is, okay, so this time I got 13/32. Fits it perfect. 13/32. I ain't gonna leave it hand tight. I'm gonna tighten it up a little bit, y'all. Hold on. It's on there. Alright, y'all, that's it. 2010 Toyota Camry starter replacement. And I bought this starter at AutoZone. I'm in Alabama. It was $179.99. Gave me $18 discount. And then I got a $40 court charge, which I'm about to go get back. So the total was $201. No. The final subtotal was $201.99 with tax $18.18. All right. And that is a Duralast remanufactured starter, part number 19046. And that is for a 2010 Toyota Camry. But, you know, as long as you got that 2AR FE, it's a 2.5 4-cylinder. Thank you.